So 43 seconds until we like do another thing. Oh my god! Thanks God! I did bet $111 as in the previous one. So what's up everybody guys, my name is Alex, yeah, and hopefully you miss me a lot, because right now, right here, I'm gonna be making some money, and hopefully you miss making money a lot, because, I mean, not hopefully, but I do really believe that you are willing to see me earning money, so there is no, arguably, you freaking just leave it. All right, so my name is Alex. Today I'm gonna be making money. I don't know, I just mixed up everything in my mind, so I do apologize for that. But what I want to tell you that today I'm not gonna be rapping. I'm just gonna be recording another video with the trading, and I might be talking way too fast right now. I'm out of my breath. So do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my Telegram private group, because all the available information is going to be right there below in the description. So click on it. It's absolutely free, and every information in the detailed video is going to be right there. So let's start our day. Today we have a triple ones as our balance, so it's $111 right there, right here. We're playing long here for sure. Strong bullish candle right here. Wow, like way too strong though. It is big. Yes, I'm going all in though. We're having the reverse downtrend right here, but Supertrend confirms the support, so we're going for long. But entry point could have been better, but it's not that bad though. It's not that bad. So 43 seconds until we like do another thing. And you know what I saw? Yesterday I was going through the TikTok and I saw that real voices of the rappers, like most of them, they're just faking their low and deep voices, you know, like all of them talking, like not all of them, but most of them like talking like this, and they kind of faking it, and it was quite surprising for me. And they kind of humble and hard to move, you know, they slow and they confident and everything, but indeed like they're having the type of voice, and it was so freaking like surprising. But that's all right, I like my voice. So 5 seconds and I'm gonna be liking money that I have. Here you go, $230 right here. Oh my god, thanks God. Like if we had the bet 2 seconds later, oh my days. Woo, going short for sure. Like I'm gonna be betting 140, I guess. Going for short. I mean, first of all, MACD like aligns with the bearish move, so I expect continuation lower. I mean, continuation of short trend, as well as super trend line was broken downtrend. You know, not downtrend but downward. Yeah. By the way, you know what happened? Oh my god, I forgot to bet 140. I did bet $111 as in the previous one. I'm sorry, but we still won it. Such a shame. We going for short again. Now I'm betting like 140 for sure. Not forgetting about that. Going for short, guys. Like MACD goes for short again. I do really expect that we're gonna be going bearish again. Oh my god, these tiny like just candles, they were just making me crazy, you know? A kind of pimple, they're popping up like for 2 millimeters, and right there they are. And because of them, I could have lost the bet. And right here, I'm gonna be raising my bet 200 right now, going for long. Yeah, we're gonna have on the bullish trend, and we do have the price stuck on 1.0. Oh my god, we have crossed already. This is what I wanted to I was trying to name you the level where the price was stuck, and we have crossed that line. I mean, all the indicators they were for the uptrend, so easy one, you know. Now our maximum is 1.06365. If everything continues in that way, every next maximum point is going to be above. It's going to be above the previous one. So 12 seconds right there. We're gonna have 1 second difference with the candles time frame. But we're winning this for sure. I have zero doubts in my mind about that, hopefully, and honestly, really. So we got our profit right here. I'm sorry, I just... What are we having right here? Oh my god, I mean, that one is way too obvious, you know? We're just going down, and what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be risking. Like, I'm gonna be betting quite, I mean, like 80% of our balance, and I have no doubts that we're gonna win this. Because that one is kind of easy, like Supertrend and a Zigzag. All right, MACD is not really for short, but no, it is indeed for short. Oh my god. Well, we just, I mean, having the strong bearish signal, so entering the decline, entering for the decline. Here you go, easy money. You see that? Like, easy. You just reading the market, analyzing it, easy one. Like, I almost double up the balance. We have a strong upward movement though. Zigzag, Supertrend, and Oscillator, which is the MACD, they confirming the further growth though. Okay, let's just wait. Yeah, guys, so talking about the Telegram private group, I know I may be, sorry, let me fix my hair. I know I may be repeating about that a lot. I'm sorry. I know I may be repeating about that a lot. I might be informing about that a lot, but it is, I mean, it's not really worth trying it. And if you're just denying it or running away from it, you may be running away from your success, and that's kind of silly of you if you're doing that. If you're not trying the free thing just to see whether it works or not, just to test it, then it's kind of odd for me. Because if I were you, I would be using every opportunity that I have. You know, I'm not gonna be letting myself lose any of the, you know, any of the door. Here we go. Hey, here you go. 768, and from $111, we made $1,353. Easy one. Easy one. This is how it works. This is how you should be working with. So, do not forget to join my Telegram private group. And of course, do not forget to leave a like on this video. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because everything is going to be right there. All the information, all the valuable data, and all the valuable knowledge in a detailed way is going to be there. So, thank you for watching. All the kisses. I love you. Goodbye.